Hi, my name's Kirsten. Welcome to Quirky Queen's Journals. Today I am making book page tags. I've made this one with a little pocket. I've made this one with a belly band. And I've made this with two side tucks. So we'll make them just now. I used double page spreads, but obviously you could use bigger sheets or glue pages together or use anything. Doesn't need to be book pages. I just happen to use the book pages. Okay, I'm just trying to get this. To be honest with you, the size is irrelevant. It doesn't really matter whether it's the right size or not, to be fair, doesn't it not? There we go. So the back of mine, I made it in a bit of a strange way, and then I realised literally all you need to do is fold it and then cut the edges. So I'm just going to fold it in half to cut the edges so that I have them the same. Like so. I kind of like that sitting there actually. Anyway, I'm going to glue it down now. I'm only using a glue stick for this just now. Normally I would use my matte medium or something that's just more secure. A glue stick's a bit of a temporary. Or something that maybe that you are going to, you know, do stuff on top of. Like seal it in some way. Like if you're doing a collage and then you're putting lots of paints and stuff on top. That sort of thing. Do you know what? Kind of like that there. I was going to put the belly band here, but I'm going to put it here. Now for the belly band, it was literally the same procedure. I folded to roughly what I wanted, which is slightly more than that, but that's okay. And then I folded that, and then I'd already kind of found the middle. Oh, we're going to have to put it off to the side. Oh, we're still covering it. We'll need to make this smaller. You need to be smaller. I'm going to put the raggedy edge out though, because it's more fun. There we go. Okay. And then, like so. So obviously stitching it in or using the matte medium or the art glitter glue or the other glue, you want a strong glue, because if you're going to use the belly band, you're going to be pulling up at it like so. So you want it to be secure. I'm going to have to use this one now because, see, because that line's there. I put the wrong side down. Never mind. I wanted the line showing. There we go. So there's the belly band. There we go. Just put a wee bit of glue on these to keep them closed. Although you could have, if you'd left them open, you could have had a big massive pocket going inside. But they're only wee book pages, so we don't want to go too crazy. So that's those two. This one was the most difficult one, so we'll do that last. This was another easy wee one. Double page spread. Now I pulled this up and then I tucked it down a little bit, purely for it just makes it a little bit sturdier here when you're going in and out. And I probably could have made a bigger pocket, to be fair, but then I'd have lost more of the height, and I like this because it's sat in here. Anyway, I'm doing my usual, I'm off at a tangent. How wide do we want this to be? To about there. Let's see. That's roughly the same. A wee bit smaller, but that's okay. So again, I just halved it in the middle, roughly. And then we'll just try to see where that goes to, but I'll just do this bit actually. There. So there we go, that's those two. And then this is the, nope, that's the belly band one. Now this one, I actually used 2 pages. 2 double spread pages, so 1. And what I would suggest is, I'm going to use these ones because they've got wee slits in the middle. Making sure the writing's the same way up, because I had to start again because I had got it not the right way up. So basically, I went slightly past the middle here. On both sides. So one sheet I folded like so. And then I did the same with the other sheet, but I went more just to the middle, just to give this little staggered look to it. Now, are they about equal? They are. Okay. So, the one that you overlapped the middle, I put that one on top because, oh sorry, wait a minute. You need to make sure that the bottom one, the flaps are in the way, on top, and then the top sheet where the flaps go past the middle, that the flaps are facing down the way. And to be fair, you could make 2 that size and then put them together. You don't need to, I just wanted to stagger them. But literally folding the page in on itself towards the middle twice and making sure they're together. And then folding it on, fold it, do you know what, I'm going to go this way because then at least I can make them meet each other. There. But then bring it back to the, I'm just folding it to make the, I think they're going to be quite big tags. Tag sizes. So, like so. And then we've got 2, once we seal it all with the glue, we'll have 2 pockets. So, number 1. Right, so for this one, I would do a wee bit over each side there, just so that these stick. And then, you know, you could do it as a bit of a decoration actually by folding it this way, because it's quite nice having that line. No, prefer this line. And just try and make sure you line them up pretty well. There we go. Then stick it at the bottom. Stick it at the bottom. band at the top. There you go, side tucks. Side tucks, if you use good glue. And if I was making these ones to use and I wasn't sewing it, I would, you know, definitely need to have a good glue without a doubt. Unless you're making them just to look at, that's different. I love it. So that's them. So I'm going to decorate them. So there we go. I've decorated them very simply. They feel unfinished. But when you put this stuff in them, in the pockets and in the belly band, then a lot of it will be covered up anyway. I have made journaling spots on the back. So I have used stamps, washi tape, coffee dyed papers and stencils. I used ink with stencils, and that's raffia, and it's just wee bits of trim. When I say trim, it's my trims. Didn't purchase them as trims. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.